Click the link below to see price. Grecell Yeti 3000. If you're interested in purchasing the Grecell Yeti 3000, this article will cover its pros and cons, as well as how to care for and service the unit. In this article, we'll also discuss some of its advantages and disadvantages compared to a gas generator. In this article, we'll cover how fast it charges, how much it costs, and whether or not the battery capacity is sufficient. Disadvantages over a gas generator. The Yeti 3000 is a capable lithium-ion power station with excellent capacity and features that move it closer to being able to power corded tools. However, its capacity falls just short of the 13 amps it needs to power most corded tools. The overall package and 2 charging ports on the wall makes the Yeti 3000 the better choice over a gas generator. Fast charging. If you are looking for the most efficient way to charge your gear, the Grecell Yeti 3000 is the charger for you. The Yeti features a 2.1A USB port and an input and output current of up to 400 mA. Its charging rate is fast and will vary depending on the power source. You can also charge your gear at the same time by using the port to charge your Grecell Yeti. The Grecell Yeti 3000 has a massive battery capacity, enabling you to charge all of your appliances at the same time. The battery is charged with a high-quality inverter that allows it to convert power from DC to AC. While the battery has a high capacity, the Grecell Yeti does not fully utilize it, which means that the charger isn't as efficient as it could be. The charging rate of the Grecell Yeti 3000 is about the same as that of a normal wall charger. When used with solar panels, it will charge faster than the standard one. However, if you have a car that uses a standard wall charger, it's worth purchasing the Grecell Yeti 3000 fast charging system to charge it from the car. However, you should make sure that your vehicle's 12-volt cigarette port is able to handle this amount of current. The Grecell Yeti 3000 is more expensive than the average wall charger, but it is well worth the price. Regardless of which model you purchase, a fast charger is essential to get the most out of your Yeti. A standard charger only runs a small number of hours, but a fast charger can turn days into hours. The 660-watt Yeti has 2 input ports and can run any small household appliance, such as a DC refrigerator or light. With a high-quality battery charger, you can run your gadgets for up to 6 hours. Cost. The Grecell Yeti 3000 is a high-capacity, portable power station. Its clean fuel source allows long run times for all types of equipment. The Grecell Yeti 3000 is a fantastic clean alternative to gasoline-powered inverter generators. The cost of the Grecell Yeti 3000 varies, but it is typically under $600. For those in need of a portable power station, a higher price might be a good idea. Click the link below to see price.